welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy, and this year for Christmas I made a deal with one of my coworkers, and I promised him that I would try and have the best Christmas season that I have ever had if he agreed to show up to my Halloween party this year. Well, this year he did actually come to the party, which surprised the crap out of me, and so now here I am stuck trying to have the best Christmas that I have ever had. It's tough for me because this year I'm trying to put as much effort and time and love and everything into Christmas that I do Halloween, and I just don't know how it's going to turn out. But and to help guide me a little bit, I came up with this little Christmas bucket list here. You can see the full bucket list and all the explanations for everything on it on my blog, which will be linked down below. But one of the things on this list is to build a gingerbread house, which is something that I've actually never done. I've seen it in multiple Christmas movies before. I've heard people talk about how they have gingerbread house competitions and things like that, and I have yet to ever build a gingerbread house. But today, that is going to change because I have invited my friends over here today, and we're going to have our very own gingerbread house competition. Went to Walmart, I picked up a whole bunch of stuff. We got our gingerbread building kits. Hopefully I did not just break the cookie wall that's there right now. And I got a whole bunch of different decorations for our houses, like M&Ms, marshmallows, icing, all that jazz. And yeah, we are gonna try and see who can build the best gingerbread house. I don't know who we're gonna have judging it. Maybe we'll let you guys judge it. Down in the comments afterwards, you can let us know which one you thought was the best. But yeah, that is the plan for today. My friends should be here any minute. We're just waiting on them to show up now. So hope you guys enjoy watching our little gingerbread house competition. Well, everybody is here. As you can see, we're getting ready to start our competition.
No.
We have, no. Oh, rude. You don't have participate, you don't want to, but okay, so we decided to do a time limit for these houses. I initially thought that 30 minutes would be enough, and everyone vetoed that very quickly, and was like, that is not near enough time, so we settled for an hour. So yeah, we're gonna do our best to build these houses in an hour. So, all right, are you guys ready?
No.
No.
Houston, stop.
Okay.
Whenever you are, Satan.
Timer set for 1 hour.
I'm a goblin.
Let's go, guys.
Silent night, I only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night,
I think this icing's gonna glue it, but we're gonna do it.
Oh, was that not his question?
Jay.
It was a little bit of ritual going on in vocal.
I'm gonna be so upset. I'm not a cheater. I'm utilizing my resources.
Wait, do we got super glue somewhere?
Utilizing
and all my babe.
I'm on a trip.
And my favorite rocket ship. Through the sky.
I don't know.
The lights time.
My wall.
Get ready to explore.
Everything's come and sets up too. So does love.
Where is that coming from?
Doing a great job, guys.
I'm literally holding this up. Hopefully it just sets and it doesn't repeat.
This is hard.
I agree. My walls are falling down.
So I went for the smallest one because it's gonna be the easiest to.
I even have a candy cane in here acting as a bearing.
Pretty easy. Go Flintstone house. I don't know if that's the way it was supposed to be. Though. Screw it, man. As long as it works.
In love this Christmas.
It's actually a lot easier to get this Let her figure it out herself. She's a strong, independent woman that don't need no man.
It's going, girl. It's so much easier to get inside what you do. Mommy, what is your gonna look like?
Trash.
Is that mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine's
As
under
long
my
as it
lip.
wasn't the, I thought it was the scissors.
Oh.
I thought it was some really small gingerbread.
That's what I thought too.
I didn't care about that. I was like, more worried about the scissors falling and like getting somebody in the foot.
Look at your magic story. I want to build a gingerbread with a scissor in my foot.
Meetings, oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're
47 minutes.
top.
I'm just using my candy cane as a paintbrush. Anyone else need candy cane paintbrush? You can't do this.
Here, do
It does have fast finger.
You're just gonna.
Or we still have baby strength. Oh yeah, I want to use that.
What?
Your hair.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so confused what Amy is doing over there.
Don't worry about it. I'm trying to make a two-story house. Wait.
Explains a lot.
What's this?
Will be missed when Santa Claus.
I'm trying to be good. It's not working. Well, this is just the fast forward part.
No.
Right? Oh.
Shimmer!
Oh my
I
god.
don't know if this stuff-
Shimmer!
Okay, that's kind of cool.
I'm gonna be glitter. I am covered in glitter.
Ah! No!
I didn't think this through.
I did. And I just
No,
bought.
I don't know how to make this.
I literally bought supplies last night for the festival.
What?
Very slow.
Nice and gentle. I swear if this makes my house fall down. Daddy, you're getting black stuff on me.
The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When his elves clear the shouts.
This is gonna lose.
Who's gonna lose?
Amy.
Yeah. He's your ugly house will lose.
This house isn't ugly. Okay, here we go. Okay.
I'm a little scared here.
Daddy, I need fish with
And he was a little
They were all
scared.
doing that. So now take a spatula.
Thanks.
Do that, or you could use the rest of Easton's.
I don't need
I
it.
mean, or you can use mine. Like, mine's the only one that hasn't done that yet. I think
Yeah,
Easton's is just, yeah, tearing out the side.
I think Amy's house will look pretty.
Aww. I'm gonna lose, but at least it'll look pretty.
My
I was
cookies will
hoping that you were taking out the middle to use the crackers and eat the middle. I was doing that too. And then I was like, shit, I can actually use this as kind of like props. And it's using fairly well to keep my trees up, so. Yeah, it's peanut butter, it's very sticky.
I'm very sticky. My fingers are.
Widely inappropriate.
Sorry, I keep forgetting I'm being filmed right now. I know.
Another drink if that guy a cheeky wink. You know it's time to have some fun. We'll get the champagne flowing.
How many more minutes?
26.
That time of year again.
Guapa.
This is just a straight up liquid. But why? Isn't it supposed to be icing?
Is that what it says on there?
Icing gel.
Yeah, it's gel.
It's gel.
It looks like this. It's like extremely liquidy. It's what this stuff was. Gel.
Gel.
We'll go with that.
Gel.
And when this comes to an end in the week,
Bruh.
I hope he loses. I hope Amy wins.
Well, she got one supporter, maybe.
I know, right? This is bipolar. You're gonna lose.
You're gonna lose. Well, you're
I
gonna
don't
win.
care.
I'm just happy who is gonna win. No, I'm just happy who is gonna win. I don't even want to win. Yeah.
But if he doesn't win, he's gonna cry.
No, I'm not.
Probably.
There's glitter everywhere.
Uh-huh.
It's
all
I can
around.
see it in like the sunlight that's coming through, a little glitter.
Okay.
18 minutes.
We're only doing like the front of it, right?
I mean, I made a whole little like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's over here overachieving.
Somebody has to overachieve.
Who's over?
Me.
Done. You know what?
It's not very good.
No. Wait, I want snow.
Thought you were done.
I'm not yet. I want snow. But with this, don't be long. And then
I want to do that.
done.
Okay. Blizzards don't my favorite paint brushes.
You're gonna be the winner.
Oh, mine just looks like a crack.
I'll vote you.
I'm gonna vote for mine.
Probably.
Is that Halloween theme?
Yeah.
15 minutes.
I want to build another gingerbread house.
Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. This season's greetings, happy meetings. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy who mailed in letters, 'cause they've been better, so much better than the year before. Santa's crossing off every wish, even moms and dads have made the list. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh.
So what is your plan here, Amy?
You know what? It's a Halloween house. That's what it is.
Little spooky ghost?
Little spooky ghost. Yep.
All right, Brittany. What's the
Winter Wonderland.
Winter Wonderland?
I'm walking in the Winter Wonderland.
Yeah, sing it, Easton.
Alexis,
3 seconds.
what's the game plan here? What is the envision?
The envision.
The
Santa's
vision.
house.
But you just told me I had to do it.
All right, Easton. What's the thought here? What is this?
A house.
A house?
A
Digging it.
Christmas house.
Christmas house? What's your thoughts on this, sir? It's beautiful.
How much time do we have left?
That's cool for me to know and you guys to find out.
No, I need to know.
Oh no, look how much time is left, people. They will never know.
On his red sled. When his owls clear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells. It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells. It's Christmas.
2 minutes.
Time. Oh, can we give it one more time? Merry Christmas!
$15.
15 what? Seconds?
12.
10,
10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Hands up.
Beneath the tree, 'cause baby, it's that time of year again. Christmas is here. It's time for celebrations. The holidays have come. Gonna grab another drink, give that guy a cheeky wink. You know it's time to have some fun. We'll get the champagne flowing and toast away another year. 'Cause baby, it's that time of year again. Christmas is.
Everyone down to see that this is gonna make it.
This time is here. It's time for singing and dancing. Baby, let's spread the love.
Alright guys, so I'm still in Amy's video here. So we're gonna show you each house. And you guys will put in the comments which ones that you like. It'll start from left to right. We'll go over each one and say whose they are, and then you guys will vote.
Okay, so this is my house. It's Halloween at Christmas. We got our little ghosty family here. And yeah, black and white Halloween because it's always spooky season. Even at Christmas.
Can you wrote that one down? Winter Wonderland. You got a little snowman. You got a little frost hanging off the windows. You got your little Christmas tree. Yeah. That's it. And snow on the ground.
Here we got Santa's crack house. Ready for Christmas season. With all the glitter.
Alrighty, so you gotta go with yours.
This is my one. This is my snowman house.
Snowman house?
Christmas house.
Alright, so the best one that there is right now.
Bias.
Total biased.
Yeah, it's got peanut butter in it.
Hell yeah, it's got peanut butter in it. It's a Christmas kind of tent looking house, you know. So.
It looks like a giraffe.
Looks like a pile of poop.
Thank you, I tried.
I think it all turned out really good.
Mine's stuff.
And you wanted to do this in 30 minutes.
Mine's
You know what? If I didn't try and do a 2-story house to start with, I would have been done in 30 minutes. Okay, let me make that
My
clear.
favorite-
I would have not been.
My favorite one is Amy's because she got marshmallow pumpkins.
They're ghosts, but I will take it. Marshmallow pumpkin first too.
And
Do you not see my snowman?
No, I can tell you
With the
what-
scarf and the face?
this one's first, and then this one, and then red, and then This one is this
Alright, so I guess the judge has spoken.
Yeah, so I guess let us know down in the comments which one you guys think is the winner. Which one you think is Crush.
I want to crush mine.
You want to crush yours?
Yeah, mine's ugly.
Okay. You know what? Do you want to just like smash it?
Or you want to head
Go.
Smash it. You won't? Don't. I'm not getting in trouble for that one.
What?
She said put your face in it. I said, oh, you won't? And I'm like, wait, no. I'm not getting in trouble for that one.
Yeah, smash it hard.
Smash it, dude. Hit it hard. Do it again.
Hulk out of the gingerbread house. Yeah.
My hands are sticky.
Nicely done.
Way to go, bud.
Oh, man.